Hi, welcome to English with Mr. G. I'm Mr. G, and in today's video, I want to show you how to use the definite article de and also how to stop making some common mistakes that happen when we use this definite article. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for powerful English video lessons every week. Let's begin. The definite article de. We use the definite article de to refer to specific or particular nouns. However, sometimes we don't have to use it at all. But if we use it when we don't have to, the meaning of our idea can be very confusing. I'm going to show you when to use the definite article, and also I'm going to show you when not to use it. Let me show you some examples. Look at this example. The sentence says, Italy has many famous dishes. The Italian pizza is one of the most famous dishes in the world. In this sentence, we use the definite article de because I am referring or I'm talking about a very specific, a very particular type of pizza, in this case, the Italian pizza. Now, let's take a look at this other example here. The sentence says, my favorite team plays tonight. The game starts at 8 o'clock. In this sentence, I use the definite article de in the phrase the game because I am referring to a game that I know about. It's the game of my favorite team, and that's the reason why I use definite article. So we can say that we use the definite article when we refer to specific or particular nouns. Okay, now I'm gonna show you when we don't use the definite article. Sometimes we don't have to use the definite article de, and we don't use it when we don't refer to any specific thing, group, or person. Okay, we just speak in general terms. We omit the article de when our idea is about something general. Look at these sentences here. Rivers are endangered. The second sentence says vegetables are healthy food. And the other example is people are the same wherever you go. In these examples, I don't use the definite article de, and the reason is that I am speaking in general terms. In the first sentence, rivers, I'm talking about all rivers in the world. I'm not referring to any specific rivers from any country or area. I am thinking about all the rivers in our planet. And for that reason, I omit the article de. In the second sentence, vegetables. Again, I'm not talking about any vegetable in particular from any country, from any place. I'm referring to all vegetables in the world. And in the last sentence, where it says people are the same wherever you go, I'm not talking about any specific group of people. I'm talking about all people in the world, from all places, from all countries. So as you can see, when our idea is about something general, is about something not particular and not specific, we omit the definite article de. Okay, now we are going to practice in 1 minute. Okay, let's practice the use of the definite article de. I'm going to show you some sentences and they are incomplete. I'm going to give you 1 second so you can think about the option to complete the sentence, whether the article or not. Okay, let's take a look at the first sentence. Take a moment and choose if we use the article de or not. Okay, if your answer is yes, we have to use the definite article de, you are absolutely correct. The sentence says, I am worried about the future of my project. And yes, I use the definite article de because in this case, I am referring to a very particular project. In this case, my project and the future of my project. All right, Let's take a look at the second sentence. Take a moment and think about what option we can use, the definite article or not the definite article. Okay, if your answer is no, we don't use it, you are absolutely correct. The sentence says, love is a powerful feeling. Now, we don't use it because I am not talking about any particular love. I'm not talking about my love or your love or somebody else's love. We're talking about love in general, and that's why I omit the definite article. Okay, one more sentence. Take a moment, read the sentence, and think about whether we use the article or not. Okay, if your answer is yes, we use it, you are definitely right. The sentence says, where's the milk? And I use the definite article because I am not talking about all milk in general. I'm talking about the milk that is probably in my kitchen, in my house. And that is very specific. So that's why I use the definite article in the sentence. Okay, well, remember, we use the definite article when we refer to very specific and particular nouns, when we know what or who we are talking about. We don't use it when the idea is general. We don't use it when the concept is very general. So there is a very important difference that you have to keep in mind when using the definite article de. And let me tell you something, right? It's very important to learn how to use it in spoken English, because when we use it incorrectly, the meaning of your idea can be very confusing. Okay, that's all for now. This was the lesson about the use of the definite article de and also when not to use it. I hope that you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for powerful English video lessons every week. This is English with Mr. G. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.